The difference between this logo that has been converted to 3D on Photopea and this mocked up logo, it's one simple thing that I did differently. Same as this mocked up logo and this mocked up logo that we've added on a landscape mockup. And you know who I blame for this? Your teacher. This is me. I blame me. So let me show you the simple thing that I've picked up the other day and I thought I'd share with you. Believe it or not, it all starts with how you download your 2D logo from any software. Usually we would be using Canva if you're used to this channel. If not, I usually design on Canva and Photopea. If you've designed your logo and you've edited it on one canvas and you download it as one canvas, then the outcome becomes this smallish logo when you edit, especially on the landscape mockups. It becomes very small. So what you could do differently that I found out the other day when I was playing around on these awesome software is separate your layers into 3 layers or 4 layers. It depends on how you have designed your logo. So you're going to download it separately, each layer. So I'm going to download layer 2, 3 and 4 as a transparent background, and then I'm going to go to Photopea and upload it. So I'm going to fast forward that because downloading is not simple. You're then going to sign on Photopea and pick a mockup that you want to use. I'm deliberately picking a landscape mockup to illustrate this point. You're going to open, say for example, this office wall logo that is a template on Photopea. Once it's open, you're going to double click where it says your logo here, and then it opens as a landscape, and you can see how the designer is showing you that you should be placing the logo. So how you then do this, you're going to hide the example from the designer. If we have downloaded one logo mockup and we add it on our template, then it looks like this. When you convert it to 3D, it becomes that smallish logo that's tiny and you can't see it is a holistic, beautiful design that you've created. So the best way is, let's delete. You're going to add the 3 layers separately. So we're going to click and drag the first layer, move it to the corner. You can even drag it even more to cover the canvas like that. We click and drag the second layer. We also drag this and make it nice and big. And then you click and you drag the third layer. And then you size that as well. Once you're done, you're going to convert it to a smart object. So you're going to go File and change it to Smart Object. And then Photopea is going to tell you that it's updated to Smart Object. You're going to click on your first tab to access your amazing, gorgeous, beautiful, big logo the way that it was meant to be seen as. I'm asking you to please share this as much as possible. That's what I'm asking you. Like the video, share the video so that we can help as many designers as possible, because I do blame myself. I should have told you this like what, a year ago? I hope this video has added value to your life. Go watch another Photopea design that we've created. I am so happy that you've joined me on this one. I will see you on the next video.